Hi guys, so today I have a sad one. This is my last day. I'm moving out now, but I'll be leaving these plants and I'll visit them at least once a month. This is my peach tree, my dog in the back, and I harvested 2 peaches. So check out on Instagram if you want to see how those peaches looked like, or nectarines. This is my lemon tree. So a quick lemon tree update. Look at all of these lemons. We have some new flowers. There is some aphids on them, but I tried to spray them off. But yeah, the citrus tree looks very nice. If you look at the progress that this citrus made over here, oh look at that wasp, wow. If you look at the progress of the citrus over time, you'll see with the previous videos, it's really looking good. Last year we only had one. Look at that, new flowers coming in, and it's at the end of January. Still a bit of damage on them due to that hailstorm that we had, but we have new shoots. Look at this, new shoots. So the citrus is looking good. Still have my plant there, and still have some of my pollinators, marigolds, on that side. So let me show you my pumpkin. So it's really big. It's winding out. There's 2 varieties, a van die kerk, also known I think as a boerpampoen. There's another wasp. There's a lot of wasps. Anyway, a boerpampoen on this side, and you'll see that the leaves differ. So this one has a little bit of white in it, and this is a lot more green. Anyway, so this is my butternut. It was supposed to be a Queensland blue, but you can definitely see this is not that. It's a butternut, and I think the seed company messed up. And then I have my tabletop grapes. The bugs absolutely destroyed it. But yeah, my irrigation is back on. I fixed it obviously because I'm not here to water them regularly. This is actually my apple tree. You can see it's leaning because I turned it a bit. But yeah, I grew this from seed out of an apple that was in my fridge. My citrus is looking cool. I'm very happy with them as well. They're just taking long, but there's still this swallowtail larva eating it. And look at that weird bug. Very scary. Anyway, it's looking good. My key lime is actually also sprouting. And look at those cute little limes there. But yeah, it's now growing up. We have some new shoots. So all the citrus going well. Still fertilizing them, giving them Epsom salts that they like. That is all well. With my new place, I'm thinking of taking my pinotage and making a nice trellis for it, but for now it's going to stay here. The pinotage, it dried out due to the massive heat that we had, but the irrigation is now set up, so this block is being covered. So as you remember, there was a massive block of pollinators on that side, which is also gone now, pollinating flowers. But I've made some amendments there. I left my blueberries because they are basically going to hibernate now, and they're not going to carry new blueberries or flowers soon, or they shouldn't. So yeah, this is the plants that I'm leaving here for now. Another irrigation point. The timer is going early in the morning for 10 minutes every second day. But for now, this heat, I put it on every day so that this will just soak in. Added some pollinators, my lavenders. I cut them back a bit. I pruned them. This is my big plant, my cut flower, sunflower, and that sunflower I want to harvest its seeds. So this ugly thing is definitely ugly, but I have this so that my bush bean would actually grow on this. I've added 2 more in that size, but they've not yet sprouted. But look how nice that looks like. So here I have something that I actually rooted. 2 of them, I got them in KwaZulu-Natal. They were growing there in the wild. Anyway, so here's some of my veggies. This is a small veggie, and this veggie should then be a ground cover to cover all of this. The lavenders will be on top, and the veggies should take over the ground because they grow wild. You can see here's some veggie coming here. There's some of its babies that I pulled off and that I put back into the soil. Let me just take this out. There was cornflower on this side, and there will obviously be now a lot of cornflower sprouts because of the seeds that fell. Anyway, my nasturtium is just going wild here. I'm so happy with that. The aphids is actually attacking the nasturtium. My cherry tomato going wild, but my parents are loving it, and I'm also a big fan of cherry tomatoes. You'll see there's my zucchini plants with all my Santorini, my moneymaker, my pineapple tomatoes. I've added some Swiss chard into this block. There I have a gem squash. My celery is just crazy, and to be honest, I really don't like celery. Powdery mildew has been attacking this zucchini, but the rest of the plant's looking well. I think that leaf is on its way out, but that zucchini is full of powdery mildew, but it's just the leaves are dying off and it's making new ones, so I'm not too worried about that because I know there will be new plants, and I think that's just part of the process. Here I have all of my basil. They actually taste like cloves, and they smell like cloves. So there's some of my banana tomatoes still, and a big pineapple ones, and my Santorini, and my rhodads. So yeah, this is not easy. It's very sad to say goodbye to a garden like this that I worked on so much. But yeah, so obviously I'm not saying goodbye. I'm just saying I'll see you every 2 to 3 weeks, and then I'll give you an update on this. And yeah, so I expect this to look a lot more evolved, I'd say. I have there some, what do you call it, beetroot coming up, rainbow beetroots. Hopefully they will bounce back and just grow crazy now that they have some space. The lettuce was pushing them. And yeah, that is an update for now, and hopefully end of February I'll give you another update on this garden and how it's been going. And yeah, there's all my marigolds, and yeah, that is my garden for now. And then you can definitely expect a lot of new content on smaller space gardening for those people actually gardening in apartments and stuff like that, in very smaller spaces. As I'm a gardener, I'll definitely in the future would like to have a bigger garden. Look at this wasp. But yeah, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for a lot more videos.